Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well today. I'm just getting ready. Today I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day. A typical day of like what I consume. I like easy, healthy meals. I'll cook at home for like 70% of the time. You know, like I like cooking, but I also enjoy ordering food and delivery. Especially last month, I ordered takeout quite often because I was super busy and I was traveling and, you know, getting stuff done for the new move. So I was definitely ordering a lot of takeout. But when I cook at home, I like easy, healthy meals. So I'm just gonna share with you that today in case you have, maybe you get some ideas. Now, before we get going with the video, I do wanna say that this video is in partnership with Doordash, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, I went to the gym super early today. I woke up really early. I went to the gym for a little bit, had a banana as a pre-workout snack. So that was good, and a little Rice Krispie treat as well. That's a really great pre-workout snack. Just a little, in case you're wondering. Gonna get ready, meet my cousin for coffee. Gonna have a little meeting and catch up. Haven't seen him in a minute, so we're gonna do that. And then come back home, have breakfast. So I'll see you guys then. Today's a pretty chill day. I mean, I have computer stuff to do for work. I have a lot of emails to catch up on. And I think I have another conference call later today too. But I'll definitely catch up with you throughout the day and share with you what I eat. It's dripping. So good. I am happy. Lately, I've been pretty obsessed with blueberries. I am very excited. This is one of my favorite restaurants here. It's a vegan restaurant. I'm not vegan, but it's that good. You can't even tell it's like vegan. It tastes amazing. But I want to talk about DoorDash and Dash Pass. Let me actually share with you how that looks. Amazing. This is the Twister wrap. It is plant-based chicken, avocado. I also got this, which is a chicken. Dash Pass not only gives you $0 delivery fee, so you pay nothing for delivery on your favorite restaurants, convenience stores, groceries, alcohol, and more. But now it gives members exclusive offers and menu items that only Dash Pass members can have. And you also get 5% back on eligible orders. It's a great deal. You only pay $9.99 a month. I mean, it basically pays itself when you make 2 orders a month. And I just think it's great. Free delivery, and it is a membership, not a subscription. I'm gonna share with you. For example, I have it up right now. The Dash Pass deals right now is like, for example, Chipotle, you get $3 off of your next order of $12 or more. You know, free 20-piece chicken nuggets at McDonald's with Coke. Like, they have really cool deals for Dash Pass members. It's the way to go, and I am really happy right now. I mean, who doesn't want free delivery, exclusives, coupons, and all of that? Sign up for Dash Pass today. Get a 30 free day trial, first month free. Link in the description box. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you. Welcome back to my kitchen. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Let me zoom you out. I'm gonna change sweaters because this one's like, do you ever have that cozy sweater? But look at how it's just like very old, but it's the best. This is like how it is all around the entire sweater. We're not here to talk about sweaters today. I have the air fryer on again. I'm making my salmon. This dish I've been making a lot lately. It's super good, it's easy, and it's quick. One sec. Do you hear that sizzle? Do you hear that? Oh yeah. I got this from TikTok, and I'm sure you've heard of this. It's one of my go-to favorite things to make as of lately. That is my salmon. Ooh, that's smart, Jair. That's smart. I believe her name is, Erica Mariko. If I'm not mistaken, it's a salmon rice bowl, but I changed it a little bit. I add different things to it. It's amazing. Put it in a bowl. About a cup of egg white. I just said egg whites. Sriracha sauce. I like a lot. Mayo. Sesame seeds on top. Soy sauce, just a tad bit. There you go. Avocados, just. This lighting is not great, but it's fine. Cheers. This is 10 out of 10. I guess I'm going to the movies. The reason I'm sitting here at the coffee table, I don't have a dining table, but it is on its way. I purchased this one here from Article. It's supposed to get here on the 6th. I have not gone to the movies since pre-pandemic. I'll probably get home late, but it's Friday, so that's cool. Just kind of wrapping up the night. I'm having popcorn. I was craving some popcorn. Catching up on my shows. I didn't buy any popcorn at the movies. I just had my water, was watching the movie. So I'm having this now, but I just want to say thank you for those of you that have supported me and continue supporting me on my channel, and it really means a lot. I feel like I don't say it enough, so I just want to thank you. I feel like we have built a really cool community of, you know, positivity for the most part. There's some trolls out there, which is fine. Everyone's welcome. But yeah, that was what I ate in a day. I kind of have learned how to, I think I mentioned before, I kind of do like an 80-20 where, you know, I eat pretty healthy most of the time, but I also allow myself to have whatever, I kind of eat like whatever I want, but healthy, if that makes sense. Like I could think I've been taking care of myself for a while now, that I know automatically, like I can gauge what to eat. You know, if I eat a little bit more today, then tomorrow I'll like scale it down a little bit. Have, you know, if I didn't eat enough veggies today, tomorrow I'll have more veggies. So it's kind of like that. That is gonna end it here. That is gonna end it here. That will end it here. Hope you enjoyed this nugget staring at me down here. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Adios. Can I catch this?